While cleaning your El Bandito oven, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a bottle, trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Step 1. Cool the oven. Press the off button to cool the oven. This can take up to 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the screen reads, "Oven off, safe to clean." Step 2. Clean the panini press. Pull the panini lever on the right side of the oven exterior so the panini press inside the oven cavity closes. Unscrew the thumb screw on the panini press. Lift the panini press up and out of the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner on the panini press and scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 3. Clean the jet plate. Remove the jet plate by unscrewing the thumb screw. Spray oven cleaner on the jet plate and scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse the jet plate with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 4. Clean the air filter. Remove the air filter on the back of the oven. Rinse the air filter thoroughly with cold water. Let the air filter dry completely before reinstalling. Replace the air filter if it is deteriorated. Step 5. Clean the crumb tray. Remove the crumb tray and clean it out with a clean cloth. Step 6. Clean the oven cavity. Remove any large particles from the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner in the oven interior, avoiding the catalytic converter in the back of the oven. Do not spray into the back of the oven. Use a scrub pad to clean the oven interior. Wipe the excess oven cleaner with a clean damp towel. Step 7. Reinstall components. Reinstall the air filter in the back of the oven. Reinstall the crumb tray. Reinstall the jet plate and tighten the thumb screw. Pull the panini lever on the outside of the oven down before reinstalling the panini press. The interlock on the bottom right of the oven cavity fits into the metal groove on the right side of the panini press. Step 8. Clean the oven exterior. Spray oven cleaner on a clean cloth towel and wipe down the entire oven exterior. Press the clean icon in the bottom right of the one-touch screen to lock the screen for 10 seconds, allowing you to clean it. Follow these steps daily to ensure the best performance from your El Bandito oven. Contact your sales representative to reorder cleaning supplies.